Hello! Welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. So, by the way, if you want to book a reading, ito yung mga details para dyan. Ayan. And yung TikTok shop namin wherein you can avail this. Ito yung pinakabago sa product namin. Pang-sabit siya. And kompleto siya ng mga lucky herbs are there, crystals are there. So, evil eye. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? For the sign of Libra, kapalaran sa pag-ibig, main energy ng Libra, kunin natin. Ito kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, pwedeng person mo ha. So, pwedeng magkapalit-palit ang roles. Okay, so there are challenges na nakikita natin pagdating sa relationship. Ayan. Ngayon yung iba sa inyo, yung iba pwedeng hindi makapag-decide regarding a particular relationship or maybe you do have your devil, so pwedeng you feel trapped, no? Pagdating sa isang relasyon or connection. Hindi na ganun siya katibay, pero nakikita natin there's this feeling na parang because of mga obligasyon, no? Kaya siya nagiging matibay or kaya bakit dapat ito yung i-work out, no? Because there's what do you call this? Parang obligasyon na na kailangan i-focus, no? Itong relationship na to because of a particular obligation. Maybe children. I can see children. So, sino ba tong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love or the sign of Libra? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. You go over the Three of Wands and the Four of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is the Strength card. This is Leo energy. Namimiss ka na tong taong to. Actually, hindi siya sure. Maybe about sa connection ninyo or hindi siya sure kung mahal or gusto mo ba siya. Wala siyang kasiguraduhan doon. But I feel like itong person it is thinking about the things na involved sa connection ninyo. Like maybe children or child kung isa lang. I don't know if some of you ang energy is ex-husband, ex-wife or if you're still together. Nandun yung feeling na parang hindi siya sigurado about the love na nararamdaman para sa kanya. If it is still there. Ayan. So, ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito? Emosyon ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. Emosyon ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra. Emosyon ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. You do have the King of Cups. Clarify the King of Cups, please. The Lovers. Tell me more. Six of Wands. Emosyon ng person na ito for you. Okay. Nine of Cups is here. Three of Swords. Page of Swords. Queen of Swords and Page of Wands. So, I feel like you do love the person, yung partnership, and you love the feeling na nandyan siya or nandyan siya lagi sa'yo. Nandyan siya for you or nandyan siya malapit sa'yo. Like, there's this possibility ng parang, alam mong hindi ka mapapano kasi nandyan naman siya. Parang gano'n. And mahal mo yung tao. And you see, so, andun yung feeling na parang, I mean, sometimes nakakakuha tayo ng energy sa'yo na you're questioning the universe. Bakit siya or bakit itong taong to? But, nandyan yung komportable or kampante ka na or parang okay naman na din sa'yo na ito yung binigay sa'yo na kahit ganyan na may mga problems, struggles, and, you know, I feel like there's really a lesson here and connection sa inyo na person na ito. With the Three of Swords, yung person na ito, sasaktan siya. With the Page of Swords and Page of Wands, I don't know, something to do with children or a child. And Queen of Swords is here, so pwedeng hindi niya ma-let go. I can see two child here or some of you pwedeng isa lang. Or maybe even more, it doesn't matter. Pero parang hindi niya ma-cut off ito. Masakit para sa kanya i-cut off yung like a child dito. So, I feel like itong person na ito is hindi lahat pero if you do have other options, nasasaktan siya doon. And some of you may other options and Nine of Wands is here. Or nasa isip niya lang na marami ka na or meron ka ng other options bukod sa kanya. And nandun yung kagustuhan niyang i-cut off mo yon because masakit yon para sa kanya. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Ito kasing taong to more on utak ang pinagagana niya or gumagana sa kanya. In the near future, what do we have here? For the sign of Libra. In the sign of Libra, in the near future. Ten of Pentacles is here, Knight of Wands, and you do have here the Tower. Tell me more. Okay. Six of Swords, Temperance, and the Devil. This is two major arcana. Actually, tatlo. Major arcanas is the Tower, the Temperance, and the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. Okay, nakikita natin na someone here will be, magiging like makasarili sa connection. Ten of Pentacles, maybe this person is thinking about money, focusing on those stuff. And Knight of Wands, maybe something to do with pagta-travel or focusing on, I don't know if this is a person, some of you this is a person na parang magta-travel towards you or this is you na magta-travel towards a person. Parang gano'n, na magiging dahilan for this connection to, hindi mag-work out. And I can see a possible ending sa connection. And the devil is here. So, magaling kasi mag-manipulate itong person na ito. But then, nandun yung realization na I cannot manipulate you any longer. Parang gano'n. Mafe-feel niya yung feeling na parang hindi na kita kayang i-manipulate or hindi ko na kaya ikaw mapasunod, etc. So, the Temperance is here. So, I can see that I mean, the love is still there. Nakukuha natin. But, I feel like yung ending na ito would cause someone here to move on. Like, mag-focus na lang sa sarili and focus on pag-iipon. Masakit at malungkot ito para sa kanya. Like, I can see this person focusing on work, career. Kasi there's obligasyon nga na kailangan gawain. But, I can see na ito ay magiging dahilan para kaya siya magfo-focus it is because wala naman na siyang choice. The energy here is that there's an ending between the two of you. But I feel like some of you, yung ending kasi can bring you luck. Why? There's this Five of Cups. Masakit siya, malungkot, of course. Yeah, this can bring you luck. Kasi the Hierophant and the Nine of Pentacles, I feel like mas may lalabas mo yung maximum potential mo without this person. And I can see a lot of success. Especially kung ikaw yung magaling magturo or mag-guide sa iba din, or financially you know how to give advice to other people. So ngayon, it's like alam mo naman yung dapat mong gawain pagdating sa connection na ito with this person. And this time, parang normal, parang kasi Libras are like that magaling mag-advise, pero pagdating sa sarili nila, hindi nila kaya. Hindi nila kayang i-apply yung mga advices na yun. So, in the near future, I can see na ina-apply mo yung advice mo sa iba, sa sarili mo mismo. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.